5,
Pull it to
4,
the middle and then
3,
I'll
2,
turn him over.
1.
Sounds like a plan, mate. It. When the ad comes, just make sure you pop it 15 yards away from anybody else. That works fantastic.
It's the missile one at the end of Mother Road, basically.
Just the breath. Get Senshi up. No one's seen anything to feed him yet, no? Oh, okay.
That's just a phase transition.
Want him back in the middle?
No, well, you can just leave him there, to be fair. It's later on you need to take him to the edge for the poison.
Alright.
Are we handling... Do we need to stack that, or that's a lot of damage coming out there?
The ad?
The thing that's coming out, is that what are we doing that right, running away with it?
It said move 15 yards away from their ally. Doesn't
You
say
can
anything
see the
about
ring
stacking.
around it. So.
It's coming around. Don't be in the ring.
The breath is hitting everyone, whereas it could be hitting just a few.
Yeah, this is where we need to spread out more, but we just know that for next time. When it hits 25%, we'll lust. Don't be in the middle of the room because poison's about. Move that out, run towards it. And lust. Might need to just move him around a little bit.
What's the breath go?
Dodge the attack. Move it around a bit more if you can. The breath through the middle.